Buenos días, good morning. Me llamo Himanshu y soy de profesor de español. En este video me voy a enseñaros cómo decir el tiempo en español. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to tell time in Spanish. Vámonos. Let us start. In Spanish, if somebody asks what time is it, we have to say ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? The second way to ask the same question, ¿Tiene hora? ¿Tiene hora? Which means, do you have a time? Do you have the hour? The first example is, it is 1 o'clock. In Spanish, we say, es la una. It's 2 o'clock. Son las dos. It's 3 o'clock. Son las tres. It's 4 o'clock. Son las cuatro. It's 5 o'clock. Son las cinco. It's 6 o'clock. Son las seis. It's 7 o'clock. Son las siete. It's 8 o'clock. Son las ocho. It's 9 o'clock. Son las nueve. It's 10 o'clock. Son las diez. It's 11 o'clock. Son las once. It's 12 o'clock. Son las doce. If you see the pattern, everywhere we have used son, and if you don't know what is this son, then you need to go through to my video, the conjugation of ser verb. So son came from ser verb, and is also came from ser verb, which means is. So if you pay attention, everywhere we start with son last, but only when it is 1 o'clock, or even if it is 1:10, 1:13, 1:20, 1:30, whatever, till 2 o'clock, we will always start with is. Otherwise, it is son. If it is noon or midday, the expression is es el mediodía. Es el mediodía. Mediodía means midday. It's midnight. Es la medianoche. Medianoche. Midnight. It's 2 in the morning. Son las dos. You already know son las dos. It's 2 o'clock. When it is in the morning, in English it is AM, but in Spanish it will be de la mañana. Mañana means morning. It's 2 in the afternoon, then son las dos de la tarde. Tarde means afternoon. It's 8 in the evening. Son las ocho de la noche. Noche means, actually it means night, but for evening, noche can also be used. Even if you say son las ocho de la tarde, it will be understood. So tarde can be noche can be replaced by tarde also. Let us do some more timings. If it is 1:40, es la 1:40. Es la 1:40, which means it is 1 40. 40 means 40. Literally it is 1 and 40. When it is, yes, 145, the next way, another way to say it, as you know, in English also we have two ways to say 140. One is 140 and the another way is 20 minus 2. So son las dos menos 20. How it came? Well, the literal meaning is it is 2 minutes 20. So son las dos means 2, menos means minus, 20 means 20. So 20 minutes are remaining to become 2 o'clock. That's how it came. Son las dos menos 20. Menos means minus. 145. First method is la una y 45, which means literally 145. Es la una y 45. 45 is 45. Second way is son las dos menos cuarto. Cuarto means quarter. So quarter is remaining to 2 o'clock, and hence we are saying son las dos, which means 2, menos means minus, cuarto means quarter. Second way is, or rather third way is, es la una y 45. Anyways, we have done this. Es la una y 45. Next is 2:10. Son las dos y 10. 10 means 10. So it's very simple. 2 and 10. Son las dos y 10. 2:15. Well, we have two ways. First is simple. Son las dos y cuarto. Cuarto means quarter. Dos means do. So means it is 2 and a quarter. Son las dos y cuarto. Second way is son las dos y 15. 15 means 15. So 2:15 is son las dos y 15. 2:30. Again we have two ways. Son las dos y media. Media means half. It's 2 and a half. Son las dos y media. Another way is son las dos y 30. 2 and 30. 2:30. So that's all about the timing. I have taught you how to tell Spanish timings with all methods. Now this exercise is for you to practice. I want you to write the answers in the comment box. If in case you liked this lesson, please subscribe to my channel and share my video. If you want to do the complete course of Spanish for A1 and A2 level, you can either call me or WhatsApp me on the number provided on the screen. Adiós, muchas gracias, cuídate.